So Chris, I'm about to sit the character strengths test for the first time. Now, this is an online test that anybody can do. It only takes 15 minutes.
Yes.
But what's the advantage of doing something like this?
Well, it's an objective way of finding out what our top character strengths are, so the best in us. When we're aware of that, we can more fully appreciate those strengths and maybe draw on them more fully, maybe get more satisfaction even when we use them.
All right, so I might just get started with this. So we go to the viacharacter.org. Being able to come up with new and different ideas is one of my strong points. Very much like me, neutral, unlike me, very much unlike me. I would say very much like me.
Okay, well, you've got your list there. Perhaps then maybe if you go through your top 5, if you describe your top 5 strengths.
Okay, here we go. It's very revealing.
Well,
Top
that's good.
strength is creativity, second is spirituality, third curiosity, fourth modesty and humility, and fifth is forgiveness and mercy.
Okay, well the first thing is, overall, how does that seem to you? Do you relate to that list?
I think definitely creativity. I've always leaned towards that over academic side of things. I think I'm right brain heavy.
But if we look at the top ones, interesting that you come up with creativity and spirituality. So an interest in doing something original, an interested in something which involves meaning and purpose. Your curiosity is partly about the deeper story that people have. You're curious about people's meaning and purpose. And doing that in an original way, that's destination happiness. And when you recognise those things, then you can, in a sense, get more joy from what you're doing. Appreciating it, it can energise you. It can even make it easier to deal with some of the more difficult aspects of, well, developing a TV show, because there's that as well.
A few of those.
But when you've got the joy and the purpose for doing it, that helps you go in that direction.
Absolutely. So it'd be a fun exercise to do as a workplace or even as a family, because there's one for children too, isn't there?
There is. There's one for youth, one for adults, and it can be about 15 minutes to fill it in.
And what are yours again, your top 3?
Well, creativity is the top one, love of knowledge, and curiosity.
Oh,
We
so
share a
we're
couple.
like matching.
That's handy.
Very good. And so it's as simple as logging on to viacharacter.org.
That's
and
right.
just filling in the test. 15
That's right.
minutes.
And then it comes up with your list just like you found.
There's a great way to identify your top character strengths. Character strengths are universal virtues recognised by every culture, such as curiosity, creativity, courage, and capacity to love. We all have our signature character strengths, and deliberately drawing on our best personal strengths in our work and relationships can boost our performance and well-being. Check out the Destination Happiness website for instructions on how to complete the Character Strengths survey, as over 3 million others have done. There are a few better personal investments you could make in under an hour.